Dear students, it is one of the given problem on CPM part. So this is the CPM network we have to draw. They have given this is the problem. Draw the network for the project based on the following data of activities. Draw the critical path and the project duration. So given data in the tabular column, activity duration and predecessors given. So we have to draw now it is network. So for activity A, the predecessors are no one. So this is one, it is the beginning event. Activity A, predecessors are no one. Activity B, predecessors also no one. So activity C, predecessor is A. Okay, predecessor, so it is C. Why I have taken this is a C in downward direction? Because my E activity will start after completion of C and D. Hence it is, I have taken it down. And activity B, so predecessor, activity D, the predecessor is B. This is the D. And activity E, so predecessor is C and D. Okay, C and D. It is very small, but it is makes a confusion also in the drawing the network. So duration of activity A is 2, B it is 4, 3, 1, and next D 6 and E 7 days. Okay, so here it is. They have asked to find the critical path and project duration. Okay, so here it is for the any activity A I, and this is the event J. So here it is, I need to find two things. So it is in the box E S T E L S T, earliest start time and latest finish time, latest start time. So here it is, I will write it clearly. Earliest finish time and latest finish time. So these are things we have to calculate in the network. So I will make the box over each activity. So here it is, earliest start time of activity A, duration is 0. Earliest finish time of activity A is 2 days. Start time is 2. Finish time of activity C is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. I cannot forward do the forward because E activities also depend on C and D. So hence activity B is 0, early start time. Finish time will be the 4. 0 plus 4, 4. So start time of activity D, this is the same, it is a 4. And next finish time, 4 plus 6, 10. So while it is going, it is a forward pass computation. So we have to take the maximum days. So 3 and 10, which is the maximum? 10. So 10 is the early start time of activity E. And next early start time of early finish time of activity E is 10 plus 7, 17 days. Okay. So next, while it is going backward pass computation, so we have to take the 17, it is days. Okay, 17. So it is latest finish time, it is remaining is 17. Latest start time, it is 17 minus 7, 10. Next, so it is latest finish time. Latest finish time of activity C is remain 10. Start time 10 minus 1, 9. 9, same thing. 9 minus 2 is 7. Next, it is same as 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Remaining is 4. 4 minus 4, it is 0. So here it is. I have to write in this tabular column. This is tabular column. These are the two columns I have written. So what are the given data? So next I have to take. I have to calculate EST, early start time, early finish time. That is finish time. Next, latest start time, LST. This is here. It is LST, and latest finish time. Next, it is FT, free float. Okay. Next, remark. So here it is. Early start time of activity A is 0. Finish time is 2. Next, latest start time is 7. Finish time will be 9. Free float is, so LST minus EST. Free float is equal to LST minus EST or LFT minus EFT. So bottom minus top. Bottom minus top. Okay, always. So here it is. For the next activity B, it is LFT minus this. Okay. After that, so how to find the free float? Okay. Later that I will tell you. So next, activity B, it is 0. Next, 4. Next, it is start time 0 and 4. Next, activity C, 2, 3, start time 9, next 10. Next, D, 4, 10, 4, 10. So next E, 10, 17, 10, 17. So here it is free float. To find the free float, I need to do that anyone. Okay. So that is early finish time. So this and 1 and 2. Just it is this minus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. So 0 next, how it is 0? This is okay. Early start time 0. Okay. So this minus this 0, as well as this minus this also, it is 0. Okay. And you can take this. So it is 3 and 4. You can do also 4 minus 3. Also it is a remain same. 4 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is also 7. 7 minus 0 also 7. 0. 4 minus 4 also 0. So next, 2 minus 1 I said. You can go for the 4 minus 3 also. Okay. So next, it is 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. So 10 minus 10, 0. So here it is. These are the subcritical. Okay. Free float, if it is positive, that is a subcritical activity. I want to calculate this. I want to find that critical. So this is a subcritical because it is a positive value. So this is a critical. So here it is. I need to draw the critical line. Okay, critical path. Activity B is a critical. Activity D is the critical. Activity E will be critical. So this is the critical path. Need to draw by joining double line or triple line. So next, duration of project. Duration of the project is duration of project 17 days, and critical path is B 4 days, D 6 days, Next, E, 7 days. So 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. This is the critical path. So critical path is, it is drawn on the network, and here it is also mentioned, and duration of the project also it is 17 days. This is the actual problem. Okay.